I got offered a cybersecurity degree apprenticeship with a company where I work for them, and they pay my cybersecurity degree. Should I take it already? I already have a computer science degree. Yeah, you should do it. But I have a hard time breaking into the industry in UK. Marcel, listen, man, this is the way you do it. That's exactly how you do it. If you don't have any other options, I would highly recommend doing some, especially if you're younger. This is a way to get your foot in the door like you would not believe. It's things like this made me level up faster. And I'll give you a couple of examples. The first one was when I got out of the military. I was making about $45K a year. It was brutal because I just got a house, I had a baby on the way. Like, I was learning all kinds of stuff, but I was only making $45,000 a year, and we'd make it like a bonus when we travel. So what happened was I got offered another job. Well, actually, the job I was working at, they didn't want to train us, and they had all this other stuff they wanted us to do. The guy who's mentoring me and teaching me all the stuff, he was gonna leave. So I was like, man, I'm getting the hell out of here before he does. And so I did. I put in my resume, and then I put in all the cybersecurity stuff that I do, and holy crap, I got all these offers, making some of them almost twice as much, but I had to move to another state or whatever, and I didn't want to move. So I was like, I want to stay in the state I'm in, the city I'm in. And I found a job, did the interview, they offered me more money, and then they said, listen, this job requires that you have a CISSP. However, they said, if we take you, we're going to train you to get the CISSP, and then pay for your training, and then we'll pay for your CISSP, but we want you to stay with us. Like, while you're getting it, stay with us, and then boom, we'll give you a raise after you get the CISSP. I mean, I was here 45, and as soon as I did that, I was like making like 90. So yeah, I made double from doing that. I would highly recommend that. If you have no other offers, you said a cybersecurity degree apprenticeship, yes, with a company where you work for them and they will pay you to complete your degree, yes. And then what you do to take full advantage of that situation is get yourself a certification. Well, depending on what area you want to go in, you want to get a professional level cert.